We are on Jungfrau mountain. Just got off the train. So we are on the top of the mountain, and the Jungfrau mountain, it's spelled as Jung, but apparently it's been pronounced as Jungfrau. And Jungfrau means in Germany it's a young woman. So this mountain was named after a young woman called Jungfrau. Jungfrau, not Jungfrau mountain. And it's so pleasant and lovely weather. The snow is so thick. Look at this snow blanket. Feels amazing. People come here for skiing. Do you see all these zigzag lines? These are from the skiing, those mountains. I wish I could ski, but before I could give a try, I would definitely like to take some lessons, or I should be at least a little more than a beginner to ski here. That's what I feel. So the Jungfrau, once you are here, there are a few stops that you can take and explore the area and then go to the next. Right now this is the top of the Europe where you get the highest peak view. Those mountains are actually covered with clouds. I never saw anything like this, to be honest. See those people skiing? How cute is that? Ah, how fun is that? Oh my god. Ah, I'm more worried for them. Nice. Love it. It's all snow. Anywhere you see it's snow. So cool. They all must be really enjoying skiing right now. So I'm putting a raw video as is here to give you the original picture and not to put any filter or any animation, because I usually like to put out the raw videos. We are in Switzerland, in the Jungfrau mountain, the tallest mountain. We are at the peak, and right now the kiddos wanted to do skiing, so we are at a jet ski resort. Oh, look at that, how cool. Everyone is so good at it. So the trainer is teaching them, giving them the basic beginners lessons, and they gonna go on their own. So beautiful. Oops. I do not want to block the people who are skiing. Look at them, look at them. So cool. And all this, it's a snow blanket. It's all covered with snow. I think I need to put sunglasses. The snow is like 360, and your eyes, if you're not wearing goggles, your eyes, they find it very hard to focus. I cannot see anything. Whoa. Okay, so I put my glasses. I can see better now.